Hey, how you guys doing today? What I want to talk to you today about, I want to talk to you about artificial intelligent SMS texting software that generates leads for your primary business. And it also pays you $100 commissions of $100 for each referral that you get. You know, it is literally the easiest thing that I ever promoted because the technology is just so slick and cool. And I have been able to make lots of money with this technology. And one of the things that I like about it, because I have a lot of businesses that I can promote any one of my primary businesses, and it allows me to make $100 commissions. It's not that hard to make. Everything is done for you in your back office. All you really got to do, you can use Facebook, you can use YouTube, or you could use paid traffic for this advertisement for this amazing artificial intelligent SMS texting software. Basically, it's a robot. It's a robot called AVA. AVA stands for the Automated Virtual Assistants that does all the selling and telling for you. Now, I got to tell you right up front, it's going to cost you $100, and you're going to pay $10 each month for the credits. But it's going to be well worth it for what you're going to get in return for your investment. One, you get an opportunity to promote your primary business. Two, you get to be the reseller and resell this software over and over and over again. That's pretty amazing that you'll be able to do this. And I'll tell you, it's some of the easiest money that I've ever been able to make online. And what I would ask you to do, I'm going to put the link below. Just either dial the number or use the link and check it out for yourself. And then once you check it out for yourself, get back with me and tell me what you think. You can call me or you can either text me, but just let me know what you think. I think that you're going to be really, really happy with this artificial intelligent SMS texting software that's going to generate leads for your primary business and plus allow you to resell the software for $100. And you can't beat it. All I've been able to do is I've been going to the groups on Facebook, and guess what? I make sales. I do YouTube videos, I make sales. How hard is that? And if you're the type of person that like to send out solo ads, guess what? In the back office, everything is done for you. So I don't know about you, but I like something that has the KISS principle. Just keep it simple. Simplicity at its best. That's all you got to do. And you will have a great time with this software called TextBot AI. I love the robot. I love Ava. Oh yeah, I'm in love with Ava. You know why I'm in love with Ava? Because she does the selling and telling for me. All I got to do, if you got a smartphone, all I got to do is give someone a phone number to call. After that, game on. Ava will take over. Or I give you my link, and then you can check it out for yourself. Either or, it doesn't really make any difference. So come on, take a stab at it. And I guarantee you, you will be so happy with this TextBot and this SMS texting software that generates leads for your primary business. Every week for my primary business, I get about 45 leads because of this technology and this software. It's too easy. I wish they had it about 10 years ago. So listen, guys, I just wanted to put this out real quick. Come on and partner with me and hit the button below. So every time I come on, you'll be able to see one of my videos. But I'm telling you, this thing is catching fire like wildfire. I'm telling you, don't wait. Come on in and let's have some fun. I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.